Today we are going to talk about how to solve quadratic equations. Quadratic equation is an equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a is always the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of the linear term x. And c is the constant. So in this case, how do we solve for x? How do we get x? Or how do we get x's? There may be two values for x. So to do this, one of the x's is gonna be minus of the coefficient of x plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a is the formula. So let's have an example. We have, for example, 2x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This time your c is 1, your a is 2, and your b is minus 4. The formula says your x is equal to the negative of b plus or minus square root of the square of b minus 4 times ac. Everything divided by 2 times a. So this time your b is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4. So plus or minus square root of b squared is minus 4 squared. Minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 1. Everything over 2 times 1. Sorry, 2 times 2, a is 2. So this time you do x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Everything over 2 times 2. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 8. Everything over 2 times 2. But we can write this 4 as 2 times 2. And the root plus or minus the root 8 as root 4 times root 2, and the 2 as it is 2 times 2. Now your x is gonna be, so there are two terms, 2 times 2, and this root 4 is 2. So 2 times 2 plus or minus 2 times root 2, everything over 2 times 2. Now for these two terms, you're gonna take 2 common. So your x equal to 2 into this 2 plus root 2 over 2 times 2. Now you can cancel one of the 2's because both are dividing the same thing. So your x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 2 over 2.